In the chemical properties of carboxylic acids, you will see that the carboxylic groups, if you draw the structures of carboxylic groups, C double bond O, OH, and there is an alkyl group. So there will be different types of reactions due to hydrogen, reactions due to OH group, reactions due to carbonyl group, reactions due to carboxylic group, and reaction due to alkyl group. Reaction due to hydrogen, number 1, say this is number 1, this is number 2, reaction due to OH group, reaction due to carbonyl group, this is 3, reaction due to carboxylic group, this is due to 5, and reaction due to alkyl group, this is 5, number 5. So this is number 1, reactions due to each atom of carboxylic group. Number A, say RCOOH plus NaOH, acid plus alkali, you know it will form salt plus water. Here the acidic hydrogen will be replaced by sodium. Number B, RCOOH plus NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Here also the hydrogen will be replaced by sodium, RCOONA plus H2O plus CO2. Number C, say this is bicarbonate or carbonate, Na2CO3, it will form here also RCOONA plus H2O plus CO2. By these reactions, you can compare the reactions of phenol. Phenol being weak acid, it reacts only with alkali, strong alkali, phenol. But acid being stronger than phenol, it reacts with strong alkali and also weak alkali like sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate solutions forming salt and water. These are the reactions. And another reactions of hydrogen atom of carboxylic group, this is important reactions, RCOOH plus CH2N2. This is a new compound or uncommon compound. This is diazomethane. Here the CH2 group will be attached to this hydrogen, RCOOCH3, forming a star, plus nitrogen will be eliminated. So these are the reactions due to hydrogen atom of carboxylic group. Now we will see the reactions due to OH group. Number 2, reactions due to OH group. Number A, say RC double bond OH plus PCl5. Here PCl5 reacts, I am showing a large arrow. PCl5 means PCl3 and Cl2. So one Cl will replace the OH group and another Cl will react with PoCl3 and HCl, hydrogen chloride. PCl3 oxygen will be attached with PCl3 forming PoCl3. One chlorine will replace OH and the rest hydrogen will be attached to the chlorine. This reaction is important. By this reaction you can show that the acid is monocarboxylic acid, because from 1 mole of carboxylic acid you are getting 1 mole of HCl. So it is a monocarboxylic acid. Number B, same type of reaction you can show by thionyl chloride. This type of reaction is also observed in alcohol. You will get RC double bond OCl. In place of which you will get Cl SO2 plus HCl. Both reactions will show that the carboxylic acid is a monocarboxylic acid. Number C, RC double bond OH plus HO C double bond O R. Two molecules of acid are taken, and one OH and H will be eliminated as water by a strong dehydrating agent P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide. So if a carboxylic acid comes in contact with phosphorus pentoxide, a strong dehydrating agent, two molecules unite to eliminating one molecule of water to form an anhydride RC double bond O, and then this oxygen, then this C double bond OR. This is acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. To acid anhydride, if we add water, then you will get acid. These are the reactions of OH group. Another reaction is very important reactions. This is esterification reactions. ABC. Number D, esterification reactions. These are also of reactions of OH group. Number D, esterification reactions. Esterification reaction. In the preparations of acid, you have seen saponification reaction, which is just opposite of esterification reaction. In this case, an acid, say RC double bond OH plus an alcohol HOR dash is taken in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent. So OH and this H will form water and eliminate water, and you will get RCO R dash. This is an ester. And this water molecule will be dehydrated or will be absorbed by concentrated sulfuric acid. If concentrated sulfuric acid is not taken here, then it will form water here. This water will hydrolyze this ester, forming acid and alcohol. So the reaction is continued in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Now number E, reactions with the ammonia. Say RC double bond OH plus NH3. NH3 react with H plus NH2 minus. These H plus and OH will form water molecules. So you will get RC double bond NH2 amide plus water. This is an amide, acid amide. So these are the reactions of OH groups. Now you will get the reactions of carbonyl group. Number 3, reactions of carbonyl group. Number 3, reactions of carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. In acid, you have seen that there is a carbonyl group. Total is COOH. Here, reaction will be shown by carbonyl group. If acid is reduced by say lithium aluminum hydride or copper chromide CuCr2O4 copper chromide reducing agent, then this carbonyl group will be reduced to CH2 and this is OH. That means you will get primary alcohol. So CO group will be reduced to CH2 group. This reaction also takes this type of reactions where carbonyl group reduced to methylene group is also takes place in the carbonyl reaction, which is called Clevenson reduction. In Clevenson reaction, you have seen carbonyl group has been reduced to methylene group. Here in carboxylic acid, the carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group, and you are getting primary alcohol by lithium aluminum hydride as reducing agent or copper chromite. Here sodium borohydride is another reducing agent, or sodium plus alcohol is another reducing agent. These reducing agents cannot be used. Because this cannot reduce the carbonyl group to methylene group. Only lithium aluminum hydride or copper chromite. So this is the reactions of carbonyl group of carboxylic acid. Now number 4.